Options AI just released an alert system on the mobile app, and we're going to go over that really quickly. We're looking at SPX right now. So this alert system works both for the underlying equity or index or ETF, as well as positions and multi-leg positions, etc. So let's start with the underlying itself. We're looking at SPX, and we've got this alert icon in the top right, that little bell. We'll hit it, and then this allows us to then take SPX, and let's say we wanted to put a 53.60 price alert for a little rally from here, not very much. We do that, we put it in, and success, and that will be in the alerts. We'll go show you where those live in a second. So this will send a text message to your phone. When you go to set up your first alert, it will have you confirm your cell phone number, and it will send text directly to your phone. So that alert is in there at 53.60, and basically what that means is as soon as SPX hits that level, you will get a text message. It will take you right back to SPX. You can do that against an existing position, or if you were waiting for a certain level to put on a position. Very, very helpful. Let's go in and do a trade and show, so let's just tee up an iron condor expiring today. Let's go in and execute this, and I'll show you the position alert. And we're going to go in. It's a day trade. Got the PDT warning. We're going to submit, and we are going to get a fill here. And so now you see that on this alert, you will see the setup price alerts, or you can go and view the position. So we're going to go into setup price alerts. What we have here is it will default to the current mid. Our entry credit was $2.15. Our current mid is $2. So you can do either, and you can go in and set both of these. You can set in an alert if this is getting away from you and the credit spread is increasing in value. Maybe you wanted to do that up at, say, 250. And it shows you what that would mean on your position. This is a one lot. So we are basically, it's essentially like putting in a stop loss. You are going to get an alert if this is up at 250 and your position would be down mark to market about $35 there. And then you can decide, instead of getting like tripped on a stop loss and perhaps not wanting that fill exactly, you're going to get that text alert. You're going to be able to go right into the app, see where it's trading, and then you are going to be able to make that decision at that point. So we're going to put this in at 250. You can do the same thing, come in here. So from the position page, this little icon in the top right will go into a position alert, and we can then set let's go down to, we'll get an alert if, let's go $1 profit. So this would mean the credit spread is trading $1. We sold it at $2.15. That would mean a position return of $115, about 53, about $115. This can be in lieu of an order to close. Instead of having a $1 bid to close this trade, either a day order or GTC, you could perhaps just set up an alert, have it get tripped at $1 if this trades down to that profit level, and perhaps go in and maybe you want to put in an 80-cent bid to close at that point, and maybe you're now more engaged, sort of trading around your alert rather than just having an order in there to close. This is how these alerts will come through on your phone. You'll get this message. You will see a link to go into the app, and it'll take you to that page. From the app itself, if you want to go in and see your alerts, you go into the account icon at the bottom, you hit alerts, and you will see your current setup, what you've got in there, what is active, what has been tripped. You can go in and you can potentially, if you want to edit this, this was at 53.60, you can go in and do that and move it around. You can turn alerts that have already been tripped. You can turn them back on and reset them. So that's a quick way to get into your alerts. You've got the position alerts in here. Those are the ones we just did in this video.